embark, embark, embark.
Here's a brief definition. It is a verb. To embark means to set out or begin a journey, undertaking, or activity. Here is a sample sentence. After months of planning, we will finally embark on our dream vacation to Europe next week. In this sentence, embark means to begin or start something, such as a journey or an adventure.
Embed, embed, embed.
It is a verb. It refers to insert or place something, such as a device, program, or idea, into another thing, often in a way that is permanent or difficult to remove. Here is a sample sentence. The journalist embedded with a military unit to get an up-close look at their operations in the war zone. In this example, embedded means to be physically present and participating alongside another group or organization, in this case a military unit, for a specific purpose.
Embellish, embellish, embellish.
Verb. To add or enhance something, especially details or decorations, in order to make it more attractive or impressive. Here is a sample sentence for the word embellish. She tried to embellish her story by adding details that weren't actually true, but it was clear she was stretching the truth. In this example, embellish means to add or exaggerate details in order to make something sound more impressive or interesting than it really is.
Embezzlement, embezzlement, embezzlement.
Noun. Schwoll. The act of stealing or misappropriating money or property entrusted to one's care, typically by a person in a position of trust or authority. Here is a sample sentence. The company's accountant was accused of embezzling millions of dollars from the business over several years, leading to her immediate termination and subsequent arrest. In this example, embezzlement refers to the act of stealing or misusing money that has been entrusted to someone in a position of responsibility, such as an accountant.
Embroil, embroil, embroil.
Verb. To involve or draw someone into a complicated or difficult situation, often one that is already contentious or quarrelsome. Here is a sample sentence for the word embroil. The politician's scandalous affair was about to embroil her in a messy divorce and public controversy. In this example, embroil means to involve or entangle someone in a complicated or difficult situation.
Embryonic, embryonic, embryonic.
It is an adjective. It refers to something that is in the early stages of development or formation, often still imperfectly formed or undeveloped. Here is a sample sentence. The embryonic stages of the new business plan were still unclear, but the entrepreneur was confident that it would eventually take off. In this example, embryonic refers to something in its early or formative stage, much like an embryo developing inside a womb.
Emend, emend, emend.
It's a verb. It means to correct or improve something, especially by making changes or repairs. Here is a sample sentence. The historian worked tirelessly to amend the errors in the ancient text, carefully retranscribing the original manuscripts to ensure accuracy. In this example, emend means to correct or revise something, in this case an ancient text, by making improvements or corrections.
Eminent, eminent, eminent.
It is an adjective. It refers to being prominent, distinguished, or highly respected in a particular field or profession. Here is a sample sentence. The renowned physicist, Dr. Maria Hernandez, was an eminent expert in her field, known for her groundbreaking research on quantum mechanics. In this example, eminent means highly respected and distinguished within their profession or community.
Emissary, emissary, emissary.
Noun. Emissary. A person sent or authorized to represent another, typically in a formal or official capacity. Here is a sample sentence. The diplomat was sent as an emissary to negotiate a peace treaty between the two warring nations. In this example, the diplomat serves as a representative or messenger, an emissary, to facilitate communication and in negotiations between the two countries.
Emollient, emollient, emollient.
It is a noun or adjective. It refers to a substance that soothes, softens, or calms the skin, often used in cosmetics or skincare products. Here is a sample sentence. The moisturizing cream was an excellent emollient, soothing and calming my dry skin after a long winter. In this example, emollient refers to something that softens or soothes the skin.